Hi, this is Coy with Hunter Chase Realty. I'm going to show you how to use the Authentisign in this video. First, you're going to pull up the email that you've received. As you see here, it's attention to myself. The name of the signing is example signing. Usually here, that's where you're going to get your address or the address of the house you're going to be buying. Okay, just all you have to do is click here to sign on this big pen. It's going to pop up a new window, and what you want to do is click I am not a robot. From there you're going to do the CAPTCHA. This one's asking for crosswalks, so you're going to click until there's no more crosswalks. On some of them you just click and press verify. This one you have to keep going until there's none left. Click verify. Going to load with my signature. You can draw your own signature. You can select your own font style, the ones that you like. I'm just going to keep it simple and use this one. Press accept. From here, the red button says start. You can zoom in if you needed bigger text. You can look at how many pages there are, other options there, downloading, printing first. Okay. I would say press start now, and here you can see there is an initial. Click on that to initial that page. If you scroll up, as you see, it has now been initialed. It verifies that it's you. That's through your email. Click there again. Here, as you see, this is a signature line, and this is initial, so I'm going to initial first, and then I'm going to click here to sign it. This step is very important. What you want to do now is click complete signing. Your other options are to stay and review. If I click stay and review, it lets me keep looking, but I have to press complete right here. Otherwise, it does not work. If you press exit, it will not register your signatures and we cannot proceed. So click here again and say complete signing. Now it's going to ask you to create a password. You don't need to do this if you don't want, because you will get a copy of the PDF of all the signatures once all parties have signed. If you want to add a password, you can, so you can log in and see it. But of course, you can contact anybody at Hunter Chase Realty to get a copy of your paperwork. I'm just going to click no thanks. Okay. And there's the thank you, a confirmation, this ID number here that also gets sent to you, and the contacts right there. That's my contact information. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. All right. Thank you so much for watching.